Hello lovely people, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing great from wherever you're watching me from. Thank you for tuning into my channel. In case you're watching me for the first time, in this channel I discuss mainly on vlogs. I do unboxing and I discuss a little bit of Germany immigration information and also healthy tips that we're going to be sharing today. If you're a channel subscriber, thank you so much. God bless you for always making our time to watch my video and leaving those encouraging comments. You're highly welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to prepare this healthy holiday vegetable sauce, which you can be using to entertain your family this season of holidays and Christmas celebration times. In this sauce we'll be needing Brussels sprouts, chicken breasts, carrots, paprika or sweet peppers. We'll be also needing onions, salt, chicken spice, thyme just to spice the chicken breast. You can also use any protein sauce of your type. You just want to make this natural as possible. Do not overspice the chicken or whichever protein sauce you're using. It could be turkey, whatever you decide to use, not overspice it. Okay, now you wash and prep all your ingredients. You cut your Brussels sprouts into two like I do, or any other shape of your choice. You also cut your carrots. You see the size that I used. You also cut your paprika or sweet pepper, whichever one you use. I prefer the colored ones, the green, yellow and red ones. And then after preparing these things, you have to warm your carrot a little, make it a little bit soft. Most carrots are hard, okay, depending on the type you use, either bio or the other type. Then the Brussels sprouts, you boil it a little bit to make it a little bit soft, okay. And you also spice your chicken breast, keep it aside. Remember not to overspice it, okay, to have it taste naturally. After you must have done this, now it's time to put your sauce together. It doesn't take time. This is a 5 minutes sauce after your preparations. Now it's time to cook your chicken breast or turkey or whichever other protein sauce you're using in olive oil. If you're using coconut oil, it's also okay. If you choose to use other vegetable oil, it is also okay. You cook this in this oil until it is done. I use chicken breast because it is easily done. Okay, I turn it on the other side to ensure that it is well cooked and a little bit brown to my taste. Okay, when the chicken breast is done, I did this in 2 parts. Then you can start to prepare your sauce, which takes 5 minutes. You saute the onion in olive oil until it's a little bit brown. Then you add your paprika or your sweet peppers. Turn a little bit, it's a little bit soft. Then you can go in with your already boiled carrots and Brussels sprouts. After this is done, soft to your taste, you can add pepper to your taste, salt to your taste. You turn over to marinate together for a little time, and then you go in with your protein sauce. Could be chicken, like I said, it could be turkey, whatever you decide to use, and turn, mix together, cover to saute for a little time. Could be 5 minutes or less, okay, and voila, the sauce is ready. I personally did not add water, just wanted the salt to be the way it is, just a little bit oil at the base. Okay, olive oil is what I use. You can use any of your choice. Some people prefer to use coconut oil in some of this sauce. Okay, the main idea is to make it healthy and not overcook these ingredients. And then you serve with any choice food of yours. Could be rice, potatoes, or any other thing you prefer to have this sauce. You can also eat it as as just the way it is, as in between meal, without anything like rice or potatoes. Okay, enjoy yourself. Your family will love to have this. during this festive period. Have fun and don't forget to leave a good comment. Let me know what you think. Would you love to prepare this? What are the ingredients you would love to take out and add the others? Do you have any other better idea how to prepare this? Have you prepared this before? Give this video a like, comment and subscribe if you've not done so. And until my next video, I will see you then. Have a great time and bye.